DJI has led innovation for years now. It's bringing that expertise home. Introducing DJI ROMO, the world's most intelligent home cleaning robot, where true intelligence meets effortless performance. At its core lies DJI's proprietary sensing system, dual fisheye vision sensors, triple solid-state lighters, and advanced algorithms that map your home with incredible precision. From open spaces to tight corners, ROMO understands every inch, detecting even a single card or a 2mm wire, even under furniture or in complete darkness. Powered by a custom-designed high-capacity fan, ROMO delivers suction up to 25,000 pascals, handling dust, debris, and spills with unmatched power. Its self-hydrating mop and dual robotic arms reach edges others can't. With spatial awareness, ROMO identifies every room, degreasing the kitchen, deodorizing floors, and adapting cleaning methods to your home's unique needs. When it's done, ROMO returns to its self-cleaning base. Using 4 high-pressure jets and a large suction port, it stays spotless, offering up to 200 days of maintenance-free operation. And thanks to DJI's 3-stage sound suppression system, ROMO runs quietly 80% less noise, keeping your home calm, clean, and connected. Built on DJI's legacy of precision and performance, ROMO isn't just a cleaner, it's a revolution for your living space. DJI ROMO, smarter, cleaner, connected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech innovations from DJI.